Good morning. We're here at Hythe Demonstration Farm, and on this project we are looking at the changes in bale silage quality during the feed out period. There has been a lot of work done over the years on silage quality and bales compared to clamp, but one piece of the jigsaw that is definitely missing is how we can affect the silage quality and the losses occurring during feed out of baled silage, and it's one of the big unknowns, to be honest. One of the issues we have when we feed baled silage in ring feeders to sheep, particularly outdoors, is how much is wasted by sheep pulling silage out of the ring feeders, and how is the silage quality affected by the weather conditions on during that feeding time. And one of the main aspects here is actually not only what they pull out and waste, but how much the dry matter changes of the bale during that feed out period, because dry matter is a main driver for intake, and obviously in pregnant ewes intake is critical, intake of dry matter. So this project is looking at how much is wasted. So silage will be collected from the waste area on a regular basis, and that will be analysed during that feed out period to look at changes in dry matter and pH and some of the analytical aspects as well. And we're looking at numbers of sheep within that feeding regime to see whether the sheep numbers can actually affect it. And hopefully the results of this project will be very useful in defining what the optimum number of sheep per bale ring feeder are, and the time at which that feed out period should last in terms of changes during that feeding period.